Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-TS25 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not working for some reason, a factory reset can just fix a lot of bugs when you do this. The second reason you might want to do this is, there's a ton of settings on here, and we can change them all manually, but sometimes we just want to get a fresh start and just get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box, and this will do that. So it's real simple to do. All we need to do is with the camera on, we're just going to hit this menu set button right here to open the menu. Once we do that, we're just going to toggle through and select the setup wrench icon submenu, and once we select the setup wrench icon submenu, then we'll select the reset option. Then there's a couple confirmation screens. You just select yes and everything will be reset back to the factory default settings. You can set it up again like a brand new camera.